this video we demonstrate how to communicate with the BVital sensor through a serial terminal. The Python BVital library should already be installed beforehand. If you have not done this yet, please install it now. A separate video tutorial explaining the installation is already available. First, open a terminal of your choice on your computer from which you can launch Python or Anaconda. Activate the virtual environment via pip or conda in which the BVital Python library was previously installed. Connect the BVital device to your computer via USB-C. Start the serial monitor from the terminal using the command bvtoolmonitor. You are now connected to the BVital and can display all available commands using the help command. As an example, we now configure the sensors for recording data using the measure command as shown in the video. This is an alternative to the Web Toolbox, where the sensor can also be configured. Both methods perform the same function. You can now step through the configuration via the user prompts until all sensors are configured. Using Measure-Live, you can display a live output of the sensors without storing the data on the device. This is only used to verify that the configuration is correct. The sensor can also be turned off using the shutdown command. Once you disconnect the BVital from the computer, it powers off completely. Feel free to try additional commands and explore the interaction possibilities with the BVital through the serial monitor. Have fun and enjoy!
Beep 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 beep.